Well, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video. I hope you're having an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching this. I hope you're enjoying your little YouTube break because we all know we can use a little escape from reality, especially right about now. And that is exactly what today's video is, you guys. Today we are testing out more weird beauty tools. Now I'll insert a clip somewhere around here. I've actually tried some weird beauty tools with my ultimate BFF, Jillian.
A-E-I-O-U. This is just perfect.
On a side note, can I just say, let's get my ultimate BFF Jillian back on my channel. Guys, if you remember this video, I'll link it down below. We tried everything from snatching our neck back, contouring our face, pinching our nose, stretching our mouth. You know those weird beauty tools that when you're scrolling on Instagram, when you're like sitting on the couch, just scrolling through your phone mindlessly, and you see all these weird ads pop up on Facebook and Instagram, and you think, who in the world would buy those? I did. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the first beauty tool that I ordered online. The first product is this crazy magnet mask. You guys, I'm actually terrified to put this on my face. These are tiny little magnets all over this mask here. There's like a little jelly in here so you can keep it cool in the fridge. On the front is a crushed pink velvet. It comes in this luxurious, durable Ziploc bag. Now honestly, I don't know anything about magnet therapy, and I know that the science is totally out on it. Okay, so check this out guys. These are all little tiny magnets all over the face mask here, and this is like a jelly texture, so if you keep it in the fridge it will keep it cool. You could sleep with this on, you could wear this around the house, you could wear this driving. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this magnet mask on, and then we'll read about the benefits. I mean, oh hello, now this is unique. All right, hello, I am looking Hannibal Lecter realness. Those who believe in magnet therapy often cite the ability of stalagmatics to alter a person's bioenergetic fields, which are energy fields that surround and penetrate the human body. Can you guys see my aura? Is it swirling around my face? Theory behind this face mask is that it's supposed to get the circulation going. It's supposed to really heal your aura. Now, realistically, I don't think this magnet mask is going to be something that I'll be reaching for all the time. So let's go ahead and take this off because it's actually fairly uncomfortable. I mean, these Velcro straps are not the most luxurious. They're a little bit, you know, on the cheap side, but all right, now this does say that magnetic therapy, or magnotherapy is a pseudoscience alternative medicine practice involving the use of static magnet fields. So I'm gonna leave that up to you guys to see if you wanna purchase your own magnet mask and see if it helps your magnetic aura. I feel like I can feel the magnetic waves floating through my head. Okay, now the next one, I swear I didn't even order. This one just arrived in the mailbox and I was like, are you sure that I ordered this? These are facial cups. I have seen these online, but I swear I definitely did not order these. These are facial cups. Let's go ahead and open it up. I mean, this package, they're so tiny. Let's just dive right in. Now, these are cups just like they use for cupping with your back. You know, some practitioners put cups on your back and then they suck the air in and kind of move it back and forth. It promotes circulation, promotes some kind of healing. These are little cups that you can use to suction along the skin and give your own facial cupping massage. Now, I am terrified to use these because I'm terrified of bruising. That's why I really don't think that I ordered these, but in the name of beauty, I definitely will give them a try. Now, they're just little tiny flexible cups here that you push in and that will suction the air right to the skin. They're about the length of half of my finger. They're pretty tiny. Just so I don't bruise the skin, I'm gonna go ahead with my ordinary hyaluronic acid as a base to just kind of lube up the skin. I'm gonna use it on the outside areas here of the face. Just go ahead and apply that serum right on there. Rub it around. We don't want the cup sticking or pulling to the skin. We want it to just glide really nicely. Come on in and let's do this together. Here we go. It's sliding along nicely. Let's do it, guys. Let's push it in and let's stick it. Oh my God, are you for real? Oh my God, this feels so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. This feels so alleviating. All right, I am turning a little bit red and I do need to calm down. I don't want to get carried away and cause a bunch of bruising in my eye area. That is definitely what we're trying to avoid. So let's hop onto the other side. Let's try it on that side. All right. This is so, no, this is just, this is next. Oh, right in the temple. Oh, this feels so relaxing. Let's do a little bit right on my forehead here. Here we go. OMG. OMG. Oh my gosh, we can target our fine lines and wrinkles. Stop. Stop it. I'm deceased. Let's do two at once. Oh, double cupping. Double cupping. We are double. I'm dead. Double cupping. We can take it right down. Oh, you guys, I wish you could feel this at home. to go right along the number 11 wrinkles here to help lift them off the skin to help alleviate those deep crevices. I think I just found like a holy grail, and it is called facial cupping. Cupping is used to relieve back, neck pain, stiff muscles, anxiety, fatigue, migraines, so many things. All right, without further ado, let me tell you that the next product is a pore vacuum. This is a pore vacuum. Now this pore sucking vacuum is supposed to go in and act like a giant pore strip, but to suck the pores right out of the skin, to lift the skin right up and pull all of that dirt and sebum, all of that gross blackheads right out of the skin. This pore vacuum is rechargeable, and it did come with changeable heads depending on which part of the face you're using. Actually, you know what guys, I think that this pore vacuum deserves a video all on its own, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Tune into tomorrow's video when I'll release this pore vacuum review. If you're watching this in the future, I'll have it in a card right around here, or I'll have it linked down below. So make sure you check out the other video to find out exactly how that pore vacuum worked. If it bruised my skin, make sure you check it out. And that guys brings us to the end of another weird beauty tools video. If you guys like this style of video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I can't believe that I bought some of these strange and weird beauty tools. We've had magnet therapy, we've had face cupping. These are totally those products that you think like, ugh, Instagram made me buy it. I mean, honestly, I probably won't wear this magnet mask again. I'm definitely going to try that facial cupping again, especially at night when your skin is all full of serum, full of night cream. I can feel those cups just like gliding along the skin. If you guys want me to test more weird beauty products, let me know in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. That way I know to do more. I love sitting down and chatting with you guys about today's beauty and skincare products from all over the world. Listen, we are just questing on, we are forging our way through all of the beauty products of the world. If you need more of me in between now and next video, you can always find me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. I hope you leave this video feeling amazing. I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. I'll see you then. Bye guys.